Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shade here, and Samsung Unpacked event was crazy. I was really pumped for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so I ended up picking one up for me. So in this video we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, see the contents of the box when you're buying one up. So this is the retail packaging of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the Indian retail packaging as they recently launched this in India in their Delhi event. So without any delay, let's quickly unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I mean, not that quick, we'll do that in some other video, but for this video, we will do it in traditional tech YouTuber style. So first let's remove this plastic sheet. Now it's much more clean. On the front of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 box, we can see the S Pen teaser. This indicates the new S Pen stylus design for the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. On the left of the box, we can see the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 engraved in the box, which is sweet touch. And when we flip this to the back, we can see some specs for the new Note 9. So this is the Note 9 lavender purple color that I have right here. The new Note 9 also comes in midnight black, ocean blue and metallic copper. This is the 128GB version of the Note 9 with 6 gigs of RAM, but you can also get the 512GB storage option with 8 gigs of RAM. It has the Quad HD Super AMOLED display. On the back we get the two 12MP optical image stabilized camera, super slow-mo, 8MP front camera, iris scanner, the S Pen, which is the major improvement from the previous Galaxy Note 8, 128GB of memory, 6 gigs of RAM, stereo speakers, AKG earphones, a whopping 4000 mAh battery, wireless charging, IP68 water and dust resistance. There's a lot of features in it. So those were some of the great features of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, but without wasting any time, let's open this up, slide this up, and now we can see the main box of the Note 9. The box is very clean, just the Samsung logo on the front. Let's cut this seal and dig deeper inside the box. I took the device just for checking at the store and accidentally removed the screen protector, and that's why you're seeing all these bubbles on the display. And I really apologize for that, and it shows that you will get the same unboxing experience when you buy your new Note 9. The first experience with the device, it's very heavy and huge in size, but it doesn't make you feel like you are holding a cheap device. But as per tech YouTube tradition, let's keep this to the side and see what else we have in the box. Inside the box we get another box, and here we have the SIM ejector tool, which I always keep in my wallet. Now moving on, we get the free transparent TPU case to protect your Note 9 from the very first day. Other than that, we get the user manual, and you know what to do with this. Yes, throw them away. Now moving forward, we get the Samsung wall adapter or fast charger to charge the Samsung Note 9, and I'm very happy to see that they have included the USB Type-C to USB Type-A OTG adapter for connecting hard drives and thumb drives to the device. Now inside the box there is a small compartment which is holding some accessories, and it feels very good when they have included so much accessories in the box, and at least this is expected from a flagship device that costs around $1,000 or 67,000 rupees. But anyways, here we get a very high quality USB Type-C cable for charging the Note 9 and data transfer. Other than that, we get a pair of AKG earphones and some extra ear tips for precise fit, and a weird clip. What's this for? Let me know the purpose of these clips in the comments down below. So that's all what we get in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the device itself. So this is the newest flagship device by Samsung, and let me tell you guys that this is a beast when talking about specs of the new Note 9. This new Note 9 is packing a Snapdragon 845 with 6 and 8 gigs of RAM. On the front we get 1440 by 2960 Quad HD Super AMOLED display, and on the back we get dual 12MP cameras with optical image stabilization, one with fixed aperture of f2.4 and other with f1.5 and 2.4 variable. Now on the storage size, you can get the 128GB or a whopping 512GB of storage option, and further this storage can be expanded up to 1TB with a microSD card of a 512GB, and that's pretty cool as you are having a 1TB in your pocket. So overall, I really like the new Note 9, and this is the best flagship device that you can get as of now 2018 until Samsung launched their new S10 with foldable screen thing going on. Other than that, I think that this is a killer smartphone, but I want to know from you guys what you guys think about the new Note 9. Let me know in the comments down below. Hit the like button if you're awesome, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.